Hello, my name is Samantha Deacy. I'm a bartender here at the JW Marriott Sear Sea Lobby Bar, and today I'm going to be showing you my new cocktail, the Elite. So I'm going to be taking 2 ounces of my Buffalo Trace bourbon. It is infused with a roasted apple, cinnamon stick, and pecan, and then fat washed with foie gras. We then add a dash or 2 of walnut bitters and a little bit of demerara syrup. We're going to be straining that over a large ice cube. And then we're garnishing it with a cinnamon stick and a dehydrated cinnamon apple slice. Here you have it, the Elite.